Welcome to the home of the Afp Fibre Fix Industrial Pipe Repair Kit, providing a quick, easy, and solid solution to a wide variety of industries. What do these industries have in common? Vulnerability to shut down due to pipe leaks caused by corrosion or external damage. When a problem occurs, you need to fix it fast. Afp Fibre Fix Industrial Pipe Repair Kit has been solving pipe integrity issues and providing superior leak sealing capabilities in a wide range of applications on pipes of various compositions and diameters. The Afp Fibre Fix Industrial Pipe Repair Kit includes a fiberglass material coated with a resin which is water activated and fast curing. Our wraps come in 6 different sizes, ranging from 50 mm by 1.5 meter to 100 mm by 15.2 meter, and they are black in color. Every Afp Fibre Fix Industrial Pipe Repair Kit can be installed in 5 to 10 minutes by one person. No special tools or hot work permits required, and is fully cured in 30 minutes. Afp Fibre Fix can withstand pressure of up to 400 psi, and can sustain temperatures of up to 180 degrees Celsius, and it can be applied onto pipes of up to 1,000 millimeter in diameter. The Afp Fibre Fix Industrial Pipe Repair Kit works on leaks on piping made from steel, copper, aluminum, galvanized stainless steel, asbestos, and a variety of industrial plastics. The repair kit is chemically resistant to most acids, bases, and hydrocarbons, including petrochemicals. Step 1. Installation for active and non-active leaks begins with proper surface preparation. For non-active leaks, shut down the damaged area and relieve all pressure. Remove all loose scale, pipe coatings, and paint around the leak with 80 grit sandpaper, a coarse file, rasper, or grinder until you see a clean metal finish. The surface does not need to be smooth. A rough finish is preferable. Use a suitable solvent or water-based degreaser to remove all loose debris and grease. Step 2. Put on your latex or nitrile gloves provided and fill a container with water. Step 3. To start the repair on a non-active leak, take the Silex Steel Putty 2-part epoxy. Remove the protective plastic and knead the epoxy until it is a consistent light gray color. Firmly press the epoxy putty into the hole, crack, void, or joint, making sure the area is covered and that the epoxy putty adheres to the area. It is not required that you use all of the epoxy putty. Step 4. Tear open the foil bag containing the bandage and immerse the bandage in water for 5 to 10 seconds. Squeeze out the excess water. Steps 5 and 6. The working time on the system is about 2 to 4 minutes, so be sure to work quickly. Start the roll in the center over the leak and the already applied epoxy putty. Wrap quickly and pull the bandage as tight and as evenly as possible as to compress the epoxy into the leak site. Be careful that the epoxy does not shift off the leak site as you wrap. Wrap the roll over itself if the repair site exceeds the bandage width. Begin a spiral wrap that will cover half the underlying wrap with each pass. Apply the entire roll. If additional rolls are required, apply them over the end of the previous roll, again acting quickly. With wet gloves, compress the expanding resins back into the bandage by rapidly and firmly stroking the surface, always in the same direction that you wrap the bandage. An oil sachet has been included for instances where the resin becomes very sticky due to a pause in the application and/or for larger diameter fixes. Otherwise, continue by keeping your hands moving quickly and wet your gloves as required. When the wrap stops foaming, rub and polish thoroughly. Continue polishing until all foaming has stopped and the bandage has become hard. The repair should have a smooth, hard cap-like appearance. A successful application is now in place. Please note that during the application, the area will get warm. This is normal, and application should continue as explained. Afp Fibre Fix Industrial Repair Kit is a cost-effective solution for pipe repairs, rehabilitation, and corrosion control in all industries.